thanks, Pops.
Leave them in the car.
What is up, guys? Contrix here. So today we're on our way to Walmart to catch some fishing supplies. We're gonna catch fishing supplies.
Yes.
We're gonna catch fishing supplies. Let's get to it. We have made it. We have made it. What I'm looking for right now is the cheapest topwater frog. Damn, that's a classic lure. See this one, but it's like $3.94. I don't know. Bro. You good, bro? Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This frog right here. It's $3.94. Let's see what else we get. Guys, micro hooks for 88 cents. Damn, guys. Alright, we'll come back here. I thought this was a baseball bat, but it's for killing fish. Oh my god. Got some 6 size wide gap hooks for the worms. Alright guys, so I ended up getting this knife. And I also ended up getting this spinner bait right here with the chartreuse. Right. It was $1 for this spinner bait, so let's see what else we could get. So in total, this stuff's probably gonna be like $10, $15.
Maybe. You have the money, right?
No,
I have the money.
you have the money.
So I said I have the money, right?
Good, bro. So I got this spinner bait for $1. This topwater frog, these wide gap worm hooks, stick baits, and a knife. To the line at Walmart with a bunch of fishing stuffs. The only thing that sucks is coming out this far from New York City, the lines are so long. That's good, bro. You ever just I don't know if you could take it. You just want to see me naked. We just bought our stuff. You know where we're going now?
Slap that out of your hand.
You good, bro? You better get baseball gear, right? Where you running? Where you running? Oh shit! What the hell is this? It's a super NATO beetle. Who are you, bro? You want some sauce? This is sauce for your flies. Some nice sauce. So I got this jerk bait right here. It's pretty nice looking. It's always been my dream to get one of these. It's not a dongle.
John boat.
It's not even a John boat. That's a trolling motor. Oh jeez. Okay. In case you don't want to die, there's a whistle. Getting a sabiki, sakibi. Cross your eyes. Guys, we got a spidget finner. Spidget finner. Guys, shout out to Dick's Sporting Goods for making me a scorecard member.
Okay.
Thank you. Never rode on one of these, but oh shit. Yeah, sure. So I got a waist mount, so I no longer have to hold my phone in my hand. I just put it around my waist and record. Whoop. They had candy back in Nam. Futz cube. Click it, spin it, roll it, flip it, guide it, fidget. Forget it. Your son gotta take a leak. I've always been so scared of these things as a kid. Get it? is up? So, we just went to 2 different stores to shop for tackle. We ended up getting a huge variety. So, let's go over the things we bought. First thing, wide gap worm hook from Laser Sharp, from Eagle Claw. Got a super frog. This is a top water. I'm looking to use this if we're fishing early morning. Also got another top water lure at Dick's Sporting Goods. Jawbone. It's a popper, right? And with that, I also got a jerk bait from Jawbone. Nice little chartreuse on the belly, dot on the side. I also happened to get this top water. It's a bluegill imitation. This works well in pressured ponds where all the bass are used to eating these types of fish. What else do I have? Bought a knife. Comes in handy when you're cutting bait. Comes in handy when you're cutting bait fish. I got the spinner bait for $1. This is probably the cheapest thing I bought today. Should work well. Got a sabiki rig. Now, if we're fishing off a boat, we'll be able to see schools of bait fish. So I'm going to be looking forward to use this. Last but not least, I got a smartphone waistband holder. This is actually going to come in handy because I need something to hold my phone while I record. Just put it around my waist. Just like that. My phone would be here and I'd be recording. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this vlog. I'm going to be going up to Lake George in about 2 to 3 days. I'm going to be looking forward to use all of these. Hopefully catch some bass, maybe trout, salmon, God knows, we'll see. Till then, keep on fishing, tight lines. I'll see you in the next shot.